To build an AI, one needs expertise, computing powered, as well as data. It is a resources-intensive work, and hence it has the tendency to centralize. Data begets data due to network effect. Once an organization controls an AI, it can make use of the AI to further improve its AI. It can also further consolidate its dominance in the AI world. This AI dominance will easily translate into dominance in other areas. Would this lead to concentration of power? Would this concentration of powers becomes problematic? Hayek argued that the decentralization of power and free market is essential to the economics of a society. The complexity of industrial economy made it impossible for any man to survey more than a limited field. With no market mechanism, there is no way to allocate resources and reconcile millions of individual preferences. A centrally planned economy is thus innately coercive because it is unable to satisfy the vast variety of people's wants. So is Hayek still relevant? However, with AI, the complexity of economics and the resources allocation may no longer be a problem. With a centrally planned economy becomes feasible or even more efficient. As of now, most economies are based on the market mechanism. Will this shift in the future? Will economic centralization turn into political centralization? Will this be good or bad for the world? Government may use AI technology to monitor its political dissidents. Because of the power of AI to avoid concentration of power, some has advocated to democratize AI technology by open sourcing AI technology, open sourcing data. Data is the most important. With gigantic amounts of data, even simple algorithms can achieve incredible results. However, the opposite is not true. That means if you have a very good algorithm, but you do not have a good amount of data, then it can hardly achieve anything. Organizations are usually unwilling to share data. Releasing data may cause privacy issues as well. Some critics have argued against the AI democratization. If you have a new keep button, will you give it to anyone?